Hello, my name is Gonzalo Snyder Bueno Puentes. I study engineering on telecommunication. This moment, I am ready to test. I am planning to study a master at the University of Oxford. I will have to move to England. My parents encourage me to continue with my professional development, but they expect me not to leave the country. I have promised to come back for the holidays in order to be selected. I had to write in easy English. I explained the reasons why I want to study there. Then they request me to travel to the UK to have an interview with the people in charge of the program. Then I have to pass a test. My girlfriend doesn't want me to spend 2 years in the UK, but she has decided to visit me while I am there. Thank you. See you later.